In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a Notion template on Gumroad. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so your template is ready for customers to access smoothly. The goal here is to make your Notion template publicly available, connect it to a Gumroad product, and present it in a clean, professional format. Start by opening your template page in Notion. Once you're on the correct page, click the Share button. Inside the sharing options, turn on Publish to Web. This is what makes your template accessible through a public link, which is essential if you want buyers to receive it after purchase. While you're in these settings, make sure to also enable the option that allows people to duplicate the template. This part matters because customers need to be able to copy the template into their own Notion workspace, not just view it. After that, copy the public URL and keep it ready for the next step. Next, go over to Gumroad and create a new digital product. When naming the product, use the name of your template so everything stays clear and consistent for buyers. A simple, direct product name usually works best because it helps customers immediately understand what they're purchasing. Once the product is created, open the Content tab. Here, instead of uploading a traditional file, choose the option to redirect customers to an external URL, then paste in your public Notion template link. This means that after someone completes their purchase, Gumroad will send them directly to the Notion template page. If you prefer a more polished delivery experience, you can also place that Notion link inside a PDF deliverable instead. That can be useful if you want the customer to receive a branded handoff document with brief instructions, but either approach works. After that, add cover images that clearly show the template dashboard. This is important because buyers want to quickly understand what the template looks like and how it's organized before they purchase. Choose images that are clean, easy to read, and visually representative of the actual template experience. Good product images can make a big difference in building trust and improving conversions. Once everything looks good, click Publish. At that point, your template is live on Gumroad and ready to be sold. Before sharing the product page, it's a smart idea to test the Notion link one more time to make sure duplication works correctly from the buyer's perspective. That way, you can be confident the entire purchase and delivery flow is working exactly as intended.